Hi. So today we'll discuss about how to manage the roles and permissions. So as we all know that once we log in through our admin credentials, the first screen that we come across is this screen. This is the dashboard that we call. Over here, we'll get the complete overview of our account, that what is exactly happening, along with all the summary, analysis, and all the shortcut keys as well. Now, in order to check the rules and permissions and to customize it or to manage it, what we need to do is we just need to click on the Manage Users option, which we'll find it at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once we click on this Manage Users option, we'll get redirected to a window. Over here, all the users, whoever have been added in my account or in the account, that will be visible over here. Now, over here, the as per the different rules, the permissions are already been given as default. But if in case we want to customize the permissions and if you want to create a new rule, then at that point of time, what we need to do is at the top there's a roles and permissions button just beside the profile and automatic report option. Once we click on this roles and permission, we can see another window is coming up. Over here, there are a couple of options. So at the top, all the rules have been given, all the default rules, and on the left hand side, all the permissions have been given. If we just click on any of the permissions, we can see that what are the permissions, like in any of the permission module, in any of the module, there are a couple of other permissions, and all the permissions are being given to which rules as default. We'll be able to get it from here. We'll be able to see it. Now in order to customize it, so if in case for any of the rule where any of the particular permission is not been given as default but we want to give it, then what we need to do is we just need to click on this particular circle option. We need to just enable it, and then accordingly we just need to click on the save changes. So once we click on save changes, that particular permission will be awarded to that particular rule, as we can see. Okay, so there are in as per each and every modules like roles and permissions, contacts, custom lead form, then marketplace, dashboard, then after that custom contact properties, pipeline. Along with that, there are campaign as well. So as we can see, as per different modules in our system, under each and every module there are a couple of permissions are given. Okay, so whatever the permissions should be given to the particular roles, it has already been given as a default. But if in case we want to customize it, we can simply click on those permissions, just click on those particular checkboxes, and then accordingly we can click on the save changes. Then what will happen, that particular permissions will be awarded to that particular rule. So this is how we can do it. Along with that, whatever the rules are been given, just beside every role there's a pencil button in order to edit it. So if you just click on this edit button, we can see this manager role, it can be edited. So if in case my hierarchy is different, so I can put any of the role name as per my hierarchy, as per my business model. So we can edit it as well. Along with that, if you want to add a new role, we just need to click on the add new role at the top right corner of the screen. Once we click on add new role, we can just simply put it over here and click on add. Once we click on add, automatically a new role will get added, and then accordingly whatever the permissions we want to give to that particular role, we can simply just customize it. Just we need to check all the permissions on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we just need to keep enabling the options. Once all the options, whatever the options we want to give it, we enable it, and then again save changes option will come up like this. And once we click on save changes, all those permissions will be awarded to that particular role. So this is how we can edit and customize the roles and permissions of the existing role, and along with it for a new role as well. So as we can see in the left hand side, all the models are given. Okay, so that's all about the roles and permissions. So thank you.